Hi there, Tapas Fleming here at tatlife.com. Right now, what we're going to do is a shortened TAT process in case you're feeling frustration, anger, hatred, or rage. Sometimes this happens for us. So the whole process of TAT just helps us de-identify from whatever it is that got us stuck in all of that. So the first thing we'll do is the heart pose. That's palm over your heart chakra. That just means midline near your heart. And we'll make this intention together. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with, for all beings involved, all beings who'd like to benefit, and it'll happen in a way that's safe and easy. So one thing to know is when we're doing TAT, we don't try to pretend that, oh, I'm not really feeling that way, or I'm better than that. I'm compassionate. I'm cool with what's happening. If you're just not, you're just not. So TAT will allow you to transform that condition. So what we're going to do next is I'll talk us through some steps. It's a shortened version of the whole TAT process. So if this doesn't totally do it for you, then do the whole thing later. Okay, and also know that typically feeling these kind of feelings relates to adverse childhood experiences. So there's a step we'll do that includes all the origins of being identified with all of this. So just have in mind that all the origins also includes things that happened in childhood that got us into patterns of relating with life that can end up in these kind of feelings. Okay, so also you need to know that I'll be using the word this in some of the statements, and that means whatever it is you've decided you're going to include in our work right now. Also, I'll use the word God, and so you can substitute that with whatever you want. Source, universe, all it is, your favorite name for God or for that, whatever you want. Or if you just don't like the statement, you don't have to use it at all. As you're listening, you just listen and notice whatever you happen to notice. You don't try to make what I'm saying true or believe it or anything. You just listen and see what you happen to notice. Okay, so we'll do the TAT pose now. That's thumb and ring finger, light touch just above the upper inner corner of each eye, and middle finger just above, a little bit above eyebrow level and midline, and your other hand goes at base of your skull with your thumb just above your hairline. So it's not down on your neck, it's just up here, and your thumb isn't stuck in the notch in the back. It's just your hands centered back there. Okay, so you do the TAT pose while I'm taking us through this, and I'll do it with you. Everything, oh yeah, so what's in the pot? Sorry, what's in the pot? What we're working on is what I call in the pot. So it's whatever you're feeling frustration, anger, hatred, rage about. It's all the parts of you that are feeling that way, and where you're feeling it in your body, any particular thoughts you're having. That's all what's in the pot, what we're working on right now. Okay. Okay, so we'll do the pose. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. And you don't need to think of what it is. It's just this big intention that includes everything. I'll say it again. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. All that happened, it's over, and I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this. All the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stored are healing now. God, thank you for healing all the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stored. And we don't need to identify any of those. All the origins of this are healing now. God, thank you for healing all the origins of this. Then what you can do is do the pose again, the TAT pose, or the heart pose, whatever feels comfortable right now, and allow yourself to have silent, unedited conversation with whoever comes to mind that you're having these feelings toward. So I'll do that for a moment with you. Then I'll do some additional steps here. So please do the pose. I forgive everyone who hurt me related to this and wish you love, happiness, and peace. I accept that for who you were, what you were conscious of in your life situation, that was the best you could do at the time. I apologize to everyone I hurt related to this and wish you love, happiness, and peace. Please accept that for who I was, what I was conscious of, and my life situation, that was the best I could do at the time. So as you're doing the forgiveness, you don't have to feel mushy or like, oh, I forgive you. Nothing. It's like that. It's just straight on intention, with the meaning being that that was the best they could do, actually. And that was the best I could do, actually. So that's it. And you can repeat this another day, as many times as you want, another day and another day. You don't want to be doing more than 20 minutes of TAT in a day, because a lot actually changes in your body, needs time to integrate what has happened and chill out again before you do more. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.